To enable Autopay in Google Pay, start by opening the Google Pay app on your device. If you do not have the app, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and follow the setup instructions. Once you have the app open, navigate to the Profile section, usually represented by your profile picture or initial. Tap on this to access your account settings. From the Account Settings, locate the Payments and Passes section. Then tap on the payment method you wish to enable Autopay for, such as a credit or debit card. If you have not already added a payment method, you will need to do so by tapping the Add Payment Method option and following the prompts to enter your card details. After selecting your payment method, look for the Autopay or Recurring Payments option and toggle the switch to the On position. You may be asked to confirm this action or enter a verification code sent to your phone or email. With Autopay enabled, Google Pay will automatically deduct the required amount from your linked payment method when a payment is due, ensuring you never miss a payment. You can also set up payment reminders and notifications to stay on top of your transactions. It is essential to review your Autopay settings regularly to ensure they are up to date and aligned with your financial obligations. You can do this by revisiting the Payments and Passes section in the Google Pay app and making any necessary adjustments. By following these steps, you can easily enable Autopay in Google Pay and take advantage of the convenience and security it provides. Remember to always monitor your account activity and adjust your Autopay settings as needed to avoid any potential issues. Enabling Autopay in Google Pay is a straightforward process that can help you manage your finances more efficiently and reduce the risk of missed payments. By taking a few minutes to set up Autopay, you can enjoy the benefits of automated payments and focus on other aspects of your financial life. In conclusion, enabling Autopay in Google Pay is a simple and convenient way to streamline your payments and stay on top of your financial obligations. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can take advantage of the benefits of Autopay and enjoy a more efficient and secure payment experience.